Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good at home. I'm your teacher Faiza and this is our English class. Today we are going to learn letter A. We are going to learn letter A. Come on everyone. Look at this. This is letter A. What is this? Letter A. Come on everyone. Now we will sing the jollyphonic song of letter A. Everyone, do like this. Yes, and use your two fingers. Now sing with me. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms, they causing me alarm. What is this? This is the sound and action of letter A. A. Come on everyone, do again. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arm, they causing me alarm. What is this sound called? This is letter A sound. A. Very good. Now meet with the friends of letter A. Read with me. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Aeroplane. A. Aeroplane. A. Apricot. A. Apricot. A. Ant. A. Ant. A. Alligator. Sounds scary. Now moving towards our book, I will tell you how to trace the letter A. Come on everyone. Okay my lovely learners, look here what we have. Trace the letter A and color the picture. Wow! It's really fun time. First, we have to trace the letter A. Come on everyone, trace with me. Start from this dot. Slowly. Join the dot and make standing line. Joining the dot, make a small curve like this. Very good. Now we are going to make a belly. Yes, slowly. Join the dot. Make a semicircle or a curve to trace a letter A. It's done. Now we will color these pictures. Come on everyone, repeat the vocabulary of letter A. A. Alligator. A. Apple. A. Aeroplane. Now we will do color in it. I will use green color to color the alligator. First of all, make the boundary. पहले आप सबको बाउंड्री बनानी है. Very good. बाउंड्री बनाने से क्या होता है? Do you know? I will tell you. बाउंड्री बनाने से आपके कलर कभी भी आउट नहीं होते. Look, now I will fill it. Wow, my alligator is looking very nice. I'm done. Look, now I will do color in A. Apple. First of all, I will do color in the leaf. Yes. Now I will use red color. I will make the boundary. This is A. Apple. Repeat it with me. A. Apple. You have to do very neat colors. Okay? Like I am doing. Look, my apple is looking so beautiful. I have done. Now, A alligator, A apple. Now I will do color in A aeroplane. I will use light blue color. First of all, I will make the boundary. Yes. After making boundary, I will fill the aeroplane. I am going to complete my work. Oh wow! My aeroplane is looking very nice. Yes, my lovely learners, these all pictures are the friend of letter A. A alligator, A apple, A aeroplane. I hope you all have done this work very nicely. Do practice at home. Allah Hafiz.